Good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. I just got into the office, man. I got a company called Junk Kings coming by to pick up a bunch of trash and junk in my warehouse. Great company, too, man. I've been using them for years for my personal and my business. But listen, man, I want to share a video with somebody, man. I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel. I want to put this on my Facebook page. I talked to someone last night, and I kind of shared this with my my Cleaners Connect members. And I just want to tell somebody, man, if you are in business, and I'm going to say if you've been in business for at least 5 years, and if you look around your business, you look around your personal, and you are not doing, if you're not doing well, okay, if you, like I was telling the guys last night, the guy that I was talking to, man, if you don't have at least 3 to 6 months of income saved up, if you can't do certain things for your family, if you can't do certain things for yourself, if you can't upgrade your business, guys, this is the time to go back to the drawing board. And like I told this guy last night, man, I get this every now and then. I don't deal with it too much, but we deal with people who are price shopping. They're looking for the cheapest price, and I got it on my website. And I tell people, I'm not in business, to be cheap, which means I can't operate cheap, right? Because not only do I need to take care of my business, I also need to take care of myself. And a lot of times, man, I see so many businesses struggling because all they want to do is work. And what that leads to is being the cheapest, but not realizing is they're not winning, okay? Yes, maybe the customer's winning, especially if you're giving them quality services. But if you look at your business and you are struggling financially, and I'm talking about if you've been in business for at least 5 years, guys, the only person you could blame is yourself. I get it. Trust me, I used to be that person. I just want to work. I just want to work. I just want the opportunity. But guys, all work, okay, isn't profitability. All opportunities is not profitability. And this is something as entrepreneurs we must understand. Just because we go out here and we make a sale, we do a job, that doesn't mean we're being profitable, and a lot of people just tell you, take it, just do it. For what? A lot of times, guys, you are losing money. You are losing money, all right, when you go out here and try to operate your business, all right? So I just want to tell somebody today, man, this is a good time to look around at your circumstances, look at your business, look at your personal, look at your finances, and ask yourself, why am I really doing this? Okay, because if you're pleasing everybody else, okay, but you're getting the short end of the stick. If you're going out here making people happy and doing jobs, guys, I tell you, man, one of the best feelings in business is when you don't have to take every job. Every now and then I have people say, oh no, okay, we got other quotes, the other quotes is cheaper. You know what I tell people now? I mean, be a blessing to them, because you guys are a perfect match. They those companies offer low prices. You're looking for low prices. You guys are a perfect match, because I'm telling you, man, who really changed my eyes in my business? The people that I work for. When clients start asking me, Courtney, when I used to clean carpets, are you going to do a good job at this price? Courtney, is this enough? When people start giving you tips, I'm talking about large tips, that's a sign, guys, that you are more valuable than what you think you are, okay? When you listen, like now the people that I work for, it is such a good feeling. I remember yesterday, it's on my website, you can either send me pictures, videos, all right, or you can book an online consultation. Guy called me yesterday and I started giving him my speech. He said, I've already been to your website. He said, I do not want to send pictures. I'm going to pay for the $125. Just want to know when you can do a consultation for me. And I'm going to go out next Tuesday. He paid for the $125 consultation. I'm telling you guys, I'm no different than anybody. All right. The only thing I did was build value in my business. And there's people out there who are looking for that. I tell guys all the time in this industry, everybody's not looking for a discount. Everybody's not looking for a cheap price, okay? Everybody's not looking for a special offer. There are people that want reputable companies and they want quality and they understand it costs. It's no different than going to a 5-star hotel, getting a room for $500, $600, $700 a night, or going to Motel 6 and getting a room for $100 a night. It's no different than going to a 5-star restaurant and getting a steak just without the sides for $100, or going to another steakhouse and get a whole meal for $30. It's no difference. It's all about how you build the value in your business.